friend is Cordell. Let's bring out Cordell.
Yeah, I love Jay Leno.
News.
Today on the news, a bunch of black people drove a bus off a cliff. A bunch of black people drove off a cliff. And the fried chicken went all over the place.
Sports.
Way to go!
Where was I?
You were on the basketball court in the seat.
I came off the bench, right?
Yeah, you came
Come on,
out.
coach, put me in.
Stop.
All right, let's still rewind.
Channel 50.
Dr. Phil.
Today on Dr. Phil, we have children with masturbation problems. Public access. Yes, I am on TV. You, Jerry, I hate you. I hate you. Mom, I hate you too. No, I paid for TV.
Stop! You're my living room.
It's 3D.
Full access. Channel 28.
Hey, kids, you guys. Alright, what are we gonna do today?
We got some talking puppets. Yes! Fast forward. Stop. Channel 3.
This channel.
That's fuzzy.
Alright, guys, let's go, Move one. Oh.
Stop. So much.
Let's go. Come on. Move them butts. Let's go. Come on.
Fast forward.
Court TV.
Court. Judge Mathis. Wait,
More.
my living room.
I'm a judge.
He did it. He did it. No, he did it.
She's using you as an excuse.
Shut up.
Is it because I'm black? A black
No,
judge?
you
You never think you see that?
No.
You never think you
Shut
see
up.
a black judge?
Shut up.
Channel 12.
Channel 12.
Cheaters. Simpsons.
Pork no
Stop! Rewind! Stop! Fast forward. Rewind.
Stop it! Check it out, Millhouse. Where am I going?
Stop! Channel 5.
Greatest autopsies.
What?
Autopsies.
That's a lot of TV, boy.
I got no
Who's dead, you guys?
Rich.
I'm talking to my TV.
All right. Let's go.
Me, mommy.
All right.
Ah! That's right. Oh, wait, right.
Blood!
Get me a towel! A towel! Come on, man! Get up!
Channel 6.
Miami Vice.
Do CSI now.
CSI?
Mm-hmm.
Don't know the show.
Okay, channel 30.
CSI.
Smallville.
Look at that! Piano.
Scrambled board.
So your TV's broken.
I want to see this. Rewind. Fast forward. Slow motion. Okay, just let it go. Channel 85.
Paris Hilton's Jackass.
Okay, guys. We are gonna like run into the wall. Go.
Stop. Fast forward. Stop. Slow motion. Fast forward. Wasn't that funny? That was so funny.
Oh, I so broke a nail.
That was so fun.